everybody, I am here. I'm behind the counter. Behind the camera. Okay, so today we are going to do some more adding by counting on, but we are going to use tens frames today. So everybody should have their tens frame ready. We're going to use two tens frames. So you need two tens frames and you need 15 of one small item and 15 of another small item. So I'm using pasta and cubes. So if you've not got those ready, pause me and just nip off and get them, please. Okay, so if you listen to the first one and then we'll do the next one together. So I've got my two tens frames and they're called a tens frame. Why are they called a tens frame? Can you remember? Because there are 10 squares. Well done. We've got 5 across the top and 5 across the bottom. So we're going to use our tens frames to add by counting on. So they're very similar questions to yesterday. So we'll get started, okay? So first there were 8. So I'm going to put 8 blue cubes on my tens frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know 5 across the top. 6, 7, 8. So first there were 8. Then 2 more were added. So I'm going to put 2 there. Now there are, how many have we got in total? Well done, there's 10. We have filled our tens frame. There are 10 items in total. We've got 8 blue cubes and 2 pieces of pasta. So we know that 8 add 2 equals 10. Well done. That's brilliant. So 8 add 2 equals 10. Fantastic. Let's do the next one. So if you get your tens frames ready and your items, we'll do the next one together. So first there were 7. So how many do we need to put down first? 7. Well done. So I'm going to put 7 blue cubes. You put 7 of one of your items down. So first there were 7. So first there were 7. So you need 7 items on your tens frame. Then 6 more were added. So we need to add 6 more. So add 6 more. 1, 2, 3. So I've run out of room on that tens frame, so I'm going to move on to my next one. 4, 5, 6. So first there were 7. Then 6 more were added. Now we'll work out how many we've got in total. So make sure you've put your items onto your tens frame. So how many have you got in total? Have you counted them? Brilliant! That's fantastic. So we've got 13. Should we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we know that 7 add 6 equals 13. It equals 13. Brilliant. I think we'll just do one more together and then I'll let you have a go. Okay, so first there were 12. So how many do we need to put down first? 12. Brilliant. So remember, if this tens frame has got 10 squares, that means you can put 10 items in it. So that means when that is full, there are 10 items there. So I know that I've got 10 items because I've filled my tens frame. Okay, so first there were 12. So how many more do I need? I've got 10. I need to get to 12. So 10, 11, 12. Well done, I need to add 2 more. So first there were 12. So I know I've got 10 there, 11, 12. So I'm right. Have you got yours sorted? Brilliant. Okay, so first there were 12. So your two tens frame should look like mine. You've filled one and then you've got two more here. Brilliant. So first there were 12, then 5 more were added. So how many do I need to add now? 5. Brilliant. So 1, 2, you do the same with yours. 3, 4, 5. Good job. So we have had 12 to begin with. First there were 12, then 5 more were added. So now how many have we got? So you do yours and count them for me and I'll count mine. 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I know how many I've got because I've just counted like that, haven't I? To double check. Brilliant. So have we all got 17? Super duper, well done. So we know that 12 add 5 equals 17. Good job, that's super. Remember, so I'm going to let you have a go at doing it yourself now, but just remember when we use our tens frame, we need to fill it up, don't we? So we fill it, so we start in the top corner, so start in the top left corner and fill your tens frame. Make sure you fill it so you don't, so if I'm putting 4 cubes on, I wouldn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, because that makes my life a little bit more difficult. Because if I put pasta on there, then I'd get all confused. I'd be going 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 blah. So to make your life a little bit easier, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and straight away you can see 4 cubes. Okay, right. Have a go at the questions that are on the page, and I will see what you've been up to later. Bye, everybody. Bye, bye, bye.